6 weeks. We've got lots of sorting out to do and cleaning and tidying, but man, it feels good to be here.
12.6 red doesn't have a standard fin box or a touring fin box.
The windows closed, the fear and doubt. I stopped and turned, trying to find out. Might be something I forgot, but all I know is that I miss you a lot, a lot. 7 days of eternity, 7 days in another country.
The calm after the storm. So it's the end of day 5. And we just put our storyboards up. I learned that that is what they're called. Those posts that you can see, well, not posts, all the 2x4s. And Steve is doing his thinking thing. He likes to stare at things and think and figure them out. And I'm going to start my workouts because I've been slack since we got here. I haven't done anything apart from yoga. And I really don't want the 6 weeks to go by and for me to not have done anything. So yeah. I'm gonna work on that while Steve does his thing, and then it'll be dinner time. We're actually really grateful for the rain today, even though it was a super stormy day yesterday because we cleaned out our rain barrels, and we were slightly worried we wouldn't have any more rain, and we wouldn't have enough for dishes and everything. It's all reliant on rainwater, so yeah, hopefully it fills up our barrels a little bit. Right, chat to you later.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. Only this matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes, do you feel the same? Only thing that matters, without change, I will let you into my mind's deep. The color that falling tears that have been long asleep. Lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want.
Yesterday we had all the materials delivered. So you can see here all the posts So that's for the building and also the railings. And then over here we've got 2x8, 2x10, 2x12, 2x6, plywood, a lot of plywood. That's all our concrete bags under there, cement, some more posts, more sonotube, some more propane, all the 2x4 and 2x12, 2x8 rather. And then over here we've got all of our insulation and some more sonotubes, some more bits and bobs. It's also a beautiful day today. And then up top, because yes, there's more, we have our roofing, tin roofing, some board, all of our cedar for the outside, a ladder, giant wood stove which took 7 of us to get up here, about 450 pounds, and patio stones for the wood stove, a nice little composting toilet, doors, windows, it's a lot of stuff. 22,000 pounds of lumber, plus all the extra. So they reckon about 24,000 pounds, which is insane. It was a big day yesterday and we're excited that the sun has come out and today we can start building. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing there, Steve?
I am just trying to shape this sonotube so that we can drill our rebar, fill it with concrete, and then eventually put our post on top. The beauty of concrete sonotubes is you can kind of shape them the way you like, and we'll get a nice joint with the concrete and the rock.
What are we doing this morning, Steve?
We are doing an experiment to see if we can get these plasticine letters to stick on the inside of this sonotube. No idea if this is gonna work.
Whereas I'm pretty sure you said to me that this would work.
It's totally gonna work. The idea is that we put contact cement on here, same thing on the front of the letters, put it in here, paste it in, fill it with concrete, and then when we strip the form, we should be able to pull the plasticine letters out and leave the reveal on the concrete post.
A little windy. So this morning we poured our concrete posts and it was very wet. Yesterday I worked in my bikini and today heavy rain gear and still got very wet. We stopped because you might notice I'm wearing one braid, not two, because I almost got one completely ripped out by the concrete mixer. But it was all in there. It ripped out a good chunk of hair. I'm gonna have to have a little trim. This side is a couple inches shorter than this side. But good news is all 10 fingers, all 10 toes, and 2 ears. No scalped things happening. It's not so bad, but still kind of sucks. We are finally going to finish our posts today after being delayed by about a day and a half due to weather.
These are all of our different post heights.